Hey guys, this is David Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with the Fitbit Charge 2 tutorial video. Today I will be showing you how to apply a new screen cover on your Charge 2. All the parts and tools that will be used in this video are available on our website and are linked below. So to start with, you probably have a screen cover that's either cracked or scratched that you want to replace. I use a GB5A pry tool that is on our website. It's the best for taking the screen covers off. You want to start from the top of the unit where the Fitbit logo is displayed on the back housing, and I like to start from the top right corner. Just get it in like that way it's stuck in there, and just go down and it'll fall into the seam. Once you do that, just pry up on it and your screen cover should come off. It's pretty easy. So there are two ways of doing this. These are the new screen covers. So the first way of doing this is just to align the LCD. That way it's evenly spaced between each side of the back housing. Once you do that, you grab this B7000, which is also listed on our website, and you just apply a bead around the back housing. You don't want to do too much. That way it's not oozing around when you put the screen cover on. When you have that squared away, if you do it this way, you got to do it pretty quick. It does take a little bit longer to get it all aligned and have it evenly spaced from each side of the housing. When you have it there, put your screen cover on and just clip it in on each side. So that's one way of doing it. The way I like to do it is I lift up the LCD like such, apply the B7000 around the back housing. When you have it there, keep your LCD lifted and just slide your LCD up your screen cover till it hits the top. That way you know it's perfectly aligned. There's no way you could break the LCD by just clipping it in. And then you just go down with it and clip it in. There you have it. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.